Once again, we're at the exhibition of motorcycles held in Brisbane, Queensland at the Museum of Modern Art. I'll have a look at a few of the modern bikes today. We'll look at the Ducati and of course the stunning MV Agusta next door, 750 4-cylinder in the special Ago colours. The F4, and of course everyone seems to like the green frame Ducati by Modo. It's not a Tessie 3D though. Lovely Ducati 851, the Verda Joda, and of course one of my favourites, the MV Agusta 750S. So they're real works of art in their time, and compared to some of the other bikes from the 80s, black art racing bike they built for the world land speed record, GPZ900R Kawasaki, the ubiquitous Japanese UJM, Katana GSX 1100, speed triple Triumph in the background, and the Ducati Super Duke up the end there. So remember, hit the subscribe button, but better still come along to the Museum of Modern Art in Queensland and have a look at some of these stunning bikes. The exhibition is on until April this year.